The Juki sewing machine combines advanced engineering with user-friendly design to offer a seamless sewing experience for beginners and professionals alike. With a wide range of models to choose from, there's a Juki machine to suit every sewing need and skill level. From straight-stitch machines and sergers to computerized quilting machines and industrial-grade models, Juki sewing machines boast an impressive array of features and functions. Whether you're sewing garments, quilts, or home decor projects, Juki has you covered with precision stitching and professional results. One of the standout features of Juki sewing machines is their exceptional stitch quality and speed. With powerful motors and advanced feed systems, Juki machines can tackle even the toughest fabrics with ease, delivering flawless stitches and smooth, professional results every time. Plus, Juki offers a wide range of accessories and attachments to enhance your sewing experience, from quilting feet and walking feet to adjustable guides and specialty needles. With Juki, you'll have everything you need to unleash your creativity and tackle any sewing project with confidence. In conclusion, the Juki sewing machine sets the standard for excellence in the sewing industry, combining precision engineering, advanced technology, and user-friendly design to empower sewists of all skill levels to bring their creative visions to life. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.